Hey everyone, welcome back to Tools Advisor. Today we're checking out the top 10 best laser level for tile to help you achieve perfectly straight, professional-looking layouts every single time. Getting those first rows of tile perfectly aligned is absolutely critical, and a laser level is the tool that makes it foolproof. I've tested and compared the leading models on the market, focusing on key features like self-leveling accuracy and visibility. You'll see options with bright, clear lines and durable designs that are built to handle the demands of any tiling project. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. Huepar 100-foot self-laser level for tile. The Huepar 100 feet self-leveling laser level is perfect for tile installers and DIY enthusiasts seeking professional, precise alignment for flawless projects. Featuring a bright crossline laser, this tool projects clear horizontal and vertical lines across 100 feet, ensuring perfect tile layout and alignment on floors and walls. Its self-leveling mechanism automatically corrects within 4 degrees, saving significant time and effort while guaranteeing accuracy. Made from a durable housing, it is built to withstand the rigors of a job site. Equipped with a magnetic pivoting base and a mounting thread, it offers versatile and secure placement on various surfaces. Whether you are tackling a bathroom renovation or a kitchen backsplash, this laser level delivers essential reliability and ease, transforming complex tiling tasks into straightforward, successful results. Huepar Pro Laser Level for Tile. The Huepar Pro Laser Level is perfect for tile installers and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and efficiency for flawless layouts. Featuring a bright crossline laser, it projects perfectly aligned vertical and horizontal lines across your workspace, ensuring your tile patterns start straight and stay accurate. Its robust, integrated magnetic pivoting base allows for quick attachment to metal surfaces and provides flexible positioning on any floor or wall. Made from durable materials with an IP54 rating, this tool withstands the dust and splashes of a busy job site. Whether you're tackling a kitchen backsplash or a full bathroom floor, the Huepar Pro Laser Level delivers professional-grade reliability, making it an essential tool for achieving perfectly level and square tile installations every time. ZPD Laser Level for Tile. The ZPD Laser Level for Tile is perfect for professional tilers and dedicated DIYers who demand precision and efficiency in their projects. Featuring a bright, self-leveling crossline laser, this tool projects perfectly level and plumb lines onto any surface, ensuring your tile rows start straight and remain perfectly aligned. Its durable, water-resistant construction is built to withstand the rigors of a job site, while the included magnetic pivoting base offers versatile mounting on metal surfaces or secure attachment to walls and floors. This reliable setup saves significant time on layout and minimizes costly installation errors. Whether you're tackling a kitchen backsplash or a full bathroom floor, the ZPD Laser Level provides the essential accuracy and robust performance needed for flawless, professional-looking tile work every time. WEIDDW 360 Self Laser Level for Tile. The WEIDDW 360 Self Laser Level is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional tilers seeking flawless, efficient installations. Featuring a self-leveling 360-degree green laser, this tool projects ultra-bright horizontal and vertical lines across walls and floors for perfect alignment. Its robust magnetic base securely attaches to metal surfaces, while the included floor bracket and tripod mount offer versatile positioning on any job site. Made from durable materials, it withstands daily use in demanding environments, ensuring reliable performance. Whether you are laying floor tiles, installing wall backsplashes, or aligning fixtures, this laser level provides pinpoint accuracy that eliminates guesswork and saves valuable time. This essential tool delivers professional-grade results, making it a must-have for any precision tile project. MBYULO Laser Level for Tile. The MBYULO Laser Level for Tile is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional tilers seeking flawless, straight installations with remarkable efficiency. Featuring a bright crossline laser, it projects perfectly level and plumb lines onto any surface, providing a clear visual guide for aligning tiles and ensuring even grout lines. Made from durable, impact-resistant materials, this tool is built to withstand the rigors of a job site, while its compact design allows for easy portability and storage. Its self-leveling mechanism saves significant time on setup, automatically correcting minor misalignments for immediate, accurate use. Whether you are tackling a kitchen backsplash, a bathroom floor, or a full wall, the MBYULO laser level delivers professional-grade precision, making it an essential and reliable tool for any tiling project. WEIDDW 4D16 Laser Level for Tile. The WEIDDW 4D16 laser level is perfect for professional tilers and serious DIYers who demand absolute precision in their projects. Featuring a 4D16 line laser system, this tool projects bright, highly visible lines on floors, walls, and ceilings simultaneously, creating a complete spatial reference grid for perfect tile alignment. Equipped with a self-leveling function and a locking mechanism for manual use, it ensures accuracy on both flat and sloped surfaces. Its robust, compact housing is built for durability on the job site, while the included magnetic pivot base offers versatile mounting options. Whether you are laying floor tiles, installing backsplashes, or tackling complex shower walls, this laser level provides the reliable, professional-grade guidance essential for flawless results every time. ASOBRIS Laser Level for Tile. The ASOBRIS laser level is perfect for tile installers and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and efficiency in their projects. Featuring a bright 360-degree crossline laser, this tool projects clear horizontal and vertical lines across walls and floors, ensuring perfectly aligned tiles every time. Equipped with a self-leveling mechanism, it automatically corrects minor misalignments for reliable accuracy, while its durable metal housing withstands the rigors of a job site. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up in any workspace. Whether you are tackling a kitchen backsplash or a full bathroom floor, the ASOBRIS laser level provides professional-grade results, making it an essential tool for achieving flawless tile work with confidence and ease. Motovera Laser Level for Tile. The Motovera laser level for tile is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional tilers seeking flawless, straight installations with incredible ease. Featuring a bright, self-leveling crossline laser, this tool projects perfectly aligned vertical and horizontal lines onto any surface, ensuring your tiles are laid with precision from the very first row. Its robust, waterproof construction is made from durable materials designed to withstand the demanding conditions of a job site, while the included magnetic mounting base provides versatile and secure attachment to metal surfaces or tripods. Whether you are tackling a kitchen backsplash, a bathroom floor, or a full shower surround, the Motovera laser level eliminates guesswork and costly mistakes, making it an essential, time-saving tool for achieving professional-grade tiling results every single time. Huepar 100-foot self-laser level for tile. The Huepar 100 feet self-leveling laser level is perfect for tile installers and DIY enthusiasts seeking professional, precise alignment for flawless projects. Featuring a bright crossline laser with 100-foot visibility, this tool projects clear horizontal and vertical lines onto your work surface, ensuring perfectly straight tile rows and perfectly square layouts. Its self-leveling mechanism automatically corrects within a 4-degree range, saving significant setup time and eliminating guesswork. Equipped with a durable magnetic pivoting base, it securely attaches to metal surfaces or mounts on a tripod for versatile, hands-free operation on floors, walls, or ceilings. Its robust construction is designed for job site durability, while the included carrying pouch offers convenient storage and transport. RockSeed Laser Level for Tile. The RockSeed laser level for tile is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional tilers seeking precision and efficiency in their projects. Featuring a bright crossline laser, this tool projects clear horizontal and vertical lines simultaneously, ensuring perfect alignment for tiles, backsplashes, and floors. Made from durable materials, it is built to withstand the rigors of a job site, while its magnetic pivoting base allows for secure attachment to metal surfaces or easy use with its included tripod. This level simplifies layout work, drastically reducing measurement time and eliminating costly installation errors. Its compact and robust design makes it a reliable companion for any tiling task. For anyone demanding professional-grade results with user-friendly operation, the RockSeed laser level is an essential and trustworthy investment.